For beginners, investing looks very complex. It is loaded with lot of information. There are just far too many options available to the beginner, and so they find it really complex to start. But I would say that it is a bit like starting on a diet plan or starting an exercise regime. I think the more important thing is inertia. People don't get over the inertia to just start. We all know that all long journeys, they start off with the first step. Without the first step, there is no long journey. And for the beginners, I would suggest the same, that start the journey. It's important to start the journey. It requires discipline, it requires persistency, consistency, and that to me is the most important thing. See, most investors who come to meet me, or I meet them in social situations, it's a very common question that let me build up a corpus and then let me start investing. But it's not true. It all depends on your personal situation. If you're saving 500 rupees, you can start investing 500, 5,000, 50,000, 5 lakh. It doesn't matter. But you must start early, and that is important. And it doesn't matter how much you start investing, because it all depends, again, as I said, on your personal situation. Important thing is that you should spend less, invest more, invest it systematically, invest it with discipline. Just to give you an illustration, if you are doing an investment of even 500 or 1,000 rupees a month, and you do it over 10 years and you get a return of 8-9%, it neatly adds up to a few lakhs. It's not a small sum. But the important thing is that if you don't start early, if you don't start, you never start. I would say there are three things. First, of course, is time. Second one is discipline, and third is patience. When we come to time, I think it is very important that you must have enough time to give to yourself to be able to invest properly and meet your life goals. Let me give you an example of a thing that we are always familiar with, which is giving an exam or writing a test. We all know that if you have an exam to give which is equivalent to a life goal, if you start studying earlier, it is easy on you. You have to spend less time, you can have your own time. But if you start studying 2 days and 3 days in advance, what happens? You have to study 24/7, and yet you don't understand the full thing, and yet you are not very sure whether you are going to get the full thing or not. And I think so time is very important. The smartest investors I know of, they started all in 20s and not even 30s, early 30s, 20s, 30s. And it is important that you give yourself time for ups and downs of the market. I will never tell you that market is a one-way street. It goes through its ups, it goes through its downs. And which is where I will bung in the second issue about patience and discipline. You have to be disciplined. You must take a particular amount and systematically and in a disciplined way be at it and be patient through the up and down of the market. Once you do that, then you will see that it becomes easier on you. Just make sure that the money just doesn't come in your hand so that you cannot spend. The moment it flows, you take it out and you start to invest, and that's it. That's the easiest way of getting self-discipline. That's the easiest way of getting patience. Take inertia on your side and don't run against the inertia. And that is where discipline and patience, use it judiciously. Lastly, I would say that many of them, they look at other investors and say he's a millionaire and he's a crorepati and he's a lakpati. People don't go behind the wheels to say that how long they have worked and how much patience they have had and how much discipline they have had. They're only looking at the outcome, which is not correct. Which is the same thing when we say a student has got a good marks. Say, wow, a student has got a good marks. But what about the hard work? What about the discipline? What about the patience? So I think it's the same thing. What we do in real life is what we have to do in investing. It's no different. I think it's very, very similar, and that's what we have to do. Stick to these three disciplines, stick to these three qualities, and you will become a great investor. I would again reiterate the same. Start early. The earlier you start, better are your chances of meeting the goals. Be very patient, be disciplined, and start with whatever amount you have. It doesn't matter whether it is a small amount or whether it is a large amount. It depends on your personal situation. And as the personal situation improves, the amount that you get to invest, the surplus, that will also improve. I would also add that over the last few years, investing has become very easy. It's just a click away. If you're comfortable with internet, you can just go there. A lot of information is available. And I would urge you one thing: after you see this video, start right away. Once you close this, I think you should log in and start your remarkable journey of investing. If you're not very comfortable with online, call your relationship manager, call an agent, call an advisor, but start right away. The best time was yesterday, and the second best time, guess what it is? It is now. Start now. Start your remarkable journey. My best wishes for you.